Don't risk your roof. Expert tips for a safe inspection. Roof inspection is an essential process carried out by professionals to identify structural damage, signs of wear, or issues that may compromise the integrity of a building. Below is the technical procedure performed by trained inspectors. 1. Initial visual assessment. The first step in a roof inspection is a visual assessment from the ground. Inspectors observe the roof slope to determine the angle and specific surface characteristics. They also analyze the general condition of the roof, checking for standing water, snow accumulation, missing pieces such as shingles or panels, and visible deformations. When direct access to the roof is not possible or safe, specialized companies use inspection drones. These devices capture high-resolution images from various angles, identifying damage without physically climbing onto the roof. 2. Safe roof access. When direct access is feasible, inspectors use specific safety equipment to ensure protection. This includes certified telescopic ladders and mobile elevating work platforms, MEWP, also known as aerial work platforms, AWP, which provide safe and stable access to hard-to-reach areas. Inspectors also wear personal protective equipment, PPE, as determined by the inspector's criteria, including harnesses, helmets, non-slip boots, and safety belts, following strict protocols to prevent falls and accidents. 3. Detailed surface inspection. Once on the roof, inspectors conduct a thorough examination of the surface, including checking the condition of shingles or panels, particularly those affected by climatic effects like wind, snow, sun, and rain, identifying broken, lifted, or displaced pieces. Inspecting critical points such as chimneys, ventilation outlets, skylights, and wall junctions, where leaks or seal wear commonly occur. Assessing the condition of drainage systems, including gutters and downspouts, which may be obstructed by leaves, dirt, or debris. Detecting signs of moisture, mold, or corrosion, especially in areas prone to water stagnation. 4. Attic and interior inspection. Inspectors access the attic to identify potential leaks from the inside, moisture stains, mold, or signs of deterioration in the roof structure. They also check the ventilation system to ensure adequate airflow and avoid condensation that could damage the rafters or sheathing. Inside the house, they inspect areas directly below the roof for cracks, stains, or ceiling deformations that may indicate structural issues or hidden leaks. Important warning: roof inspections require technical expertise and specialized equipment to identify damages that may go unnoticed by untrained individuals. Additionally, many structural issues can only be detected by professionals experienced in material evaluation and specific conditions. With ISP Roofing, you not only get a free inspection, but also expert advice if you want to learn more about solar panels. Call us for a safe and professional inspection.